Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So currently there is a problem in Instagram that whenever we post stories in our Instagram, so just after posting we see a message like error, this type of message like a error. So here you can see in my mobile screen what is happening when I am trying to post Instagram stories. So I tried in both method, by going to a story and selecting a photos, or by directly going to a gallery and selecting Instagram and posting. So I am getting this type of error. So I have not posted anything wrong or anything, or I have not done any mistake. So basically this is a glitch. Many of the Instagram users are facing this problem. So if you are facing, you don't have to worry. You just have to go to settings, help, and report a problem. Okay, and within a couple of days or with the help of new update, this will be fixed. So you don't have to worry, but don't forget to report a problem. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.